Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Okay, I am standing in a very happy place right now. Look at these gorgeous mandevillas. If you have been to any nurseries recently in the spring, you see these gorgeous vines touted out and they are full of blossoms right away. How can you resist how beautiful they are? And they have this tropical look. They are a tropical flower to them. I love them. Every year I put a couple in our large urns out by the front door, a couple up on our deck, and I'm always amazed at how well they do. They just keep blooming. So I have 3 different varieties here. You're going to see a number of colors now. It used to be that this light pink was the typical, and it probably still is the typical mandevilla here, but breeders have really expanded the colors and the choices you have in mandevilla. So first thing you need to realize is there is a bush size mandevilla that often we see in hanging plants. Those get maybe about this tall, they spill over, we usually don't put them on a trellis, and they hang very nicely. These are your vining mandevilla, and they will just climb and climb and climb whatever you have. Most of them come with some type of wooden trellis in here, so they're already starting to climb, and if you want them to go higher than this, you're going to need to provide something else for them to climb on. The mandevilla keep blooming all season, and they bloom on their new growth. So if you find they're getting a little bit long, you can give them a trim anytime, and actually that's going to promote even more blossoms. As they send out the new vines, they'll get some new flowers here too. These particular colors they happen to be my favorites, so they're the ones I chose. The 2 over here are considered a crimson. This is your bright red color, and these 2 are actually going to my mom's house because she does reds. There's a more maroon color that you can get, but this is a brighter color and it has sort of this orangey yellow center to it. Then we have the traditional giant pink. These probably have the biggest blossom. They're a light pink color, and the actual blossom size tends to be on the larger side. And then over here, we have the raspberry kiss. So this is considered a deep pink. It's almost a red, but it has that more pink overtone to it, like a raspberry. And I have a harder time finding this color. I get these from one nursery, these from a different nursery. You might have to hunt around till you find the exact color that you want. And this bush, this vine, will get as tall as these, but this is generally the size that I can find it in. So you might want to hunt around. Generally, this is more of an investment for your garden. I use these as the real centerpieces. I don't spend this much money on every single plant. These are going to be the showstoppers. So by looking at different nurseries, sometimes you find that you can get larger vines for your money at different places. It's worth sort of shopping around. They also now are breeding your mandevilla vines to be yellows, to be some peaches. There are whites. I didn't see any yellows or peaches out there yet this year, but these are my colors, so I am very, very happy. This week I'll be planting up some gorgeous planters with these mandevilla. So click the like and subscribe button below. It really helps me out, and you'll be able to make sure that you get to see those planters. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.